Welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on ZTE Nubia RedMagic 10 Air. Let's begin. The first troubleshooting method, and probably the only one, is to simply expand your control panel. You can expand it once again, and here you should see a list of icons. As you can see right below our Wi-Fi icon, we have auto-rotate option. Currently it's disabled, meaning that your phone will never auto-rotate it automatically. And if you enable this option, we can see a little animation, it's now blue, and this way our phone will always try to auto-rotate whenever we, for example, do this and this. Of course, it doesn't really work on the home screen, but on other applications it should work. And this basically, this is a smooth transition to other point, and the point is that many applications actually have fixed rotation. Many games, for example, cannot be changed, like the rotation cannot be changed, like, I don't know, Clash Royale will never work in landscape mode, and Clash of Clans will never work in portrait mode, for example. And the same things goes for other very popular applications. For example, I don't think Facebook works in the portrait mode, but if you do want to try to, for example, force your certain application of your choosing to go into portrait mode, you can remember to unlock and enable this function, and then to find and basically scroll through the settings of said application. And lastly, if you really don't see the auto-rotate option here, you can easily add it. You can just easily add it here in the edit. Here you will see things that are not normally available. And as you can see, I mean, those are the things that you do have on your control panel, and these are the things that you don't have. So yeah, and of course, if somehow the system not working for you, you can always perform a soft reset. You can easily do that by just going into your power button, pressing and holding it, and then hitting restart. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.